Hello again, super deformed toy car collectors, or ChoroQs. I think this could be rare. I'm not sure. I picked it up used at a local toy shop here. Basically it's a Humvee, an H2 Hummer, but it's from the Evangelion cartoon series. Here's a CGI image of it. This is these giant robots that are piloted by human beings. So they look bigger than Gundams, but I could be wrong. I haven't. I think I watched Evangelion like 20 years ago. I didn't like it. It was kind of a weird style of animation, or the character designs of the robots. I just don't. I didn't care for. Maybe I should watch it again. Anyways, I couldn't find an image of anything that said Evangelion Hummer or Evangelion truck. The trucks used are much bigger, like semi trucks in that cartoon. So I think they were just using this casting, and there was like an Evangelion set because I have the Alpine car from that same set. I think I'll show it later. All right, let's get started here. We got some scratches all over. This thing's been used, not necessarily abused, but it's definitely got some surface scratches. This NERV, I have no idea what it is, but it's some sort of group probably in the cartoon show. You got nice molded details. That's probably like the gas cap, a running light maybe, reflector, some sort of printing graphics here. The door handles have nice molded detail. This is all one clear piece of plastic, that window, and then everything else painted green and white on top of it. These are standard molded ChoroQ wheels, but they're this green color. Usually they're white or chrome. You got the venting there for the air filter, a little silver paint in the headlights. Nothing here though, or here, or here. Some black would be nice there. Yeah, no extra paint apps, unfortunately. Well, it actually says H2 down here. That's interesting. All right, up here we got some printing for nerve again. Some details here. I think those are tie downs. We got the running lights up here, but sadly, again, no paint details. Sunroof and a roof rack, ribbing here. Going to this side, it just doesn't have the fuel filler. And then the back, at least you have the taillights painted here, and some opening doors here. And then again, the Evangelion logo there. When was this made? 2009. Okay, so it's not super old, but it's not particularly new either. Standard construction of a screw and a tab in the back. I don't think I have a Cherokee with these green wheels, so I'm not even gonna do a wheel swap. I'm gonna just leave it the way it is. All right, let's look at a few other trucks. All right, let's look at a few other smaller trucks. First is the actual normal-looking Hummer, but I added some paint details to this. I added the orange up on top. I think I added the black in the grill, but I think it came with the orange turn signals, so that's good. And also these, because I think it'd be difficult for me to do. I did 3D print my own wheels, though. Uh, yeah, I think that came the way it was. I think that actually has a tampo print of H2 there. This toy is from 2007 also. Okay. Or was this 2007? I can't remember. No, this is a different year. Alright. Also, they painted this black. So there's simply more effort going on this one as far as paint apps. They did a really half swear job on that one, I think. Alright, well, ChoroQ Zero put out the Lamborghini LM002. Very cool. They had, I think, 3 different colors of this, but this is the most vibrant one. And also it's got cool red wheels. So, I like that. And then here's a Mercedes G-Wagon. This was from a special Autobahn set of like police or freeway vehicles. This toy's from '04. And it's got interesting wheels. This last one is from an old set called Seibu Keisatsu, which is a wacky TV show, I guess, where they just destroyed cars every week. I don't know what this was in this. Maybe it's a Nissan Patrol, but it's clearly been modified for the TV show, and then ChoroQ did their own thing. I 3D printed my own wheels, though. These, I think it just came with the stamped steel wheels and like that trailer. So that's it for some ChoroQ smaller trucks. I don't have a miniature Evangelion robot. I don't have any Evangelion robot, so here's a tiny little Scope Dog Gashapon figure. Alright guys, well, interesting. It's not as good as the civilian version. If you really like Hummers, you should just get the civilian Hummer. It's got far more details printed on it. But if you love Evangelion, I guess this is up your alley. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.